Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today is Tuesday. I woke up this morning. I was 63.8 kilos. I have absolutely no loss since yesterday, no gain. I just maintained my weight for 2 days in a row. So I'm still at 6.4 kilos in 51 days. That's pretty good, 14 point something pounds. It's very good and I can see the difference. I actually took another update shot yesterday video and I really can feel a lot better in my clothes. Let's talk about the data. So yesterday I fasted for 27 hours. On Sunday I finished eating at 2:30 p.m. and yesterday I started eating again at 5:30 p.m. So we're talking 27 hours. I was tired yesterday, as in it was overcast and it was raining. I still went outside. I still went for my walk. I still went to the gym, but I wasn't the most energetic and it was cold. So by the time I made it to the gym, I was really not in the mood anymore, and I dragged myself to do exercises. I really I did half what I can usually do, say 8 reps instead of 15. I did lifted very little. I gave myself a 3 on 10 in terms of intensity. It was not a good workout and I was not motivated and I was not feeling good at all. I broke my fast at 5:30 p.m. and I walked 20,485 steps. That's 14.7 kilometers. That's pretty good. Let's take a look at my meal. So in terms of total calories, we're talking 1,075 calories, 73.7 grams of protein. Protein is good. The total calories is very low, but that's OMAD. Again, it's very hard if you eat nutritious food to cram everything in one meal. I started with a grapefruit, half a grapefruit, which was really delicious. I was looking forward to eating more fruits, so I was happy. Then I had the soup, leek, potato, and lentils, and the main dish, which was salmon, green peas, and couscous. Had a bit of crackers, had a bit of cheese. Finished with my protein shake that I didn't shake, that I ate as a pudding, not pudding, but as a paste, so like a cream-ish. Anyways, all that to say, it wasn't the greatest. It was great on Sunday. It tasted really good, but the Monday version was not good. Plus, it was at the end of the meal, and I had to drink about 2 glasses of water because it was so thick. So it defeated the purpose completely of not drinking a shake for the volume, because in a shake, I add just 1 glass of water. So anyways, that was the second time I did it. That was probably the last time, or maybe not, who knows. I'll have a shake now. I do want to have this amount of protein in this form, so a powder is a good supplement. 73.7 grams of protein is great for one meal. I don't want to have to eat it to mash everything like I did yesterday. It took me for ages, and it wasn't really that. The consistency was too thick. I really struggled yesterday to finish my meal, but I really wanted to finish that amount of protein because, well, it's OMAD and I don't get to eat many times. So overall, it was not a great day. I went to bed early, but I fell asleep at midnight. I felt like I had like a 6 espressos before going to bed. I had a lot of energy, contrary to the rest of the day, so that's interesting. So I didn't sleep great and I did an insomnia. I woke up for a full hour during the night and I went back. I mean, not like the past 3 nights. So I'm doing OMAD for insomnia. Obviously in a few weeks from now, if the effects of OMAD are not giving a great result on my insomnia, I will resume my 2 meals a day because that was great and I was not hungry and I had a lot of energy. So don't do something because you think it's going to make you, don't do OMAD because you think it's going to make you lose weight. It hasn't, because in the past few days on OMAD, I haven't lost that much, like about 150 grams, I think, which is great. I did sleep good for 3 nights, but I'm just saying that in terms of weight loss, there's way better techniques than OMAD. So I will see you tomorrow for a feedback on today. Hopefully it's a better day. I feel more energetic, but still it's not like, yeah, I didn't sleep good. So anyways, I'll see you tomorrow. I hope you're doing really good. I hope you're having a really good day. Ciao.